Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Weebly website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here at weebly.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do is log in the upper right corner to your account where your website is that you want to delete. And once you have logged in, we can get started. So you're going to be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as overview, website items, and so on, that you can get started with to manage your website. And now we can get started deleting it. So if you want to delete it for any reason, this is what you have to do. Here at the left side screen, you want to open up the settings option. Clicking the settings option is going to open up this new drop down menu with multiple options, and you want to open up the general settings. So click on general settings. After clicking on general settings, it's going to open up your general store information that you're going to go ahead and be able to find right here. Now guys, here is how to do it. Basically, if you have already published your website, if you have an upgraded plan and you have published your website, you have put your domain that you want to use and so on, and it is live, then you can go into the general store settings right here and you will be able to see a button that says to unpublish your website. If you have still not published your website and nobody can access it, then you cannot delete it because it is already deleted. So what you can do guys is just leave it as that and your site will not exist and nobody will be able to access it. But if it's published, you will be able to find the button right here in the general settings to click. That's going to unpublish your website and that's how you'll successfully delete it, and then you'll be able to bring it back anytime you want. But it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.